Hagani kejing jurep le dan lang usambut menteri rang bah kejelau bakmi rui ketenat kampen roisor ubak senyau balang har barke officer kejelau. Kena ke kenhuan kelalit jurep ke jaga bantai ke New Shillong Administrative City ke bekentup lang ke Administrative Complex ke Secretariat Building bat baru ke Directorate. Haga jaga ke ba ars pa laku akar ha New Shillong Township. Habai keren bikinong patai kubor ukonrat kongkal sangma ulapan pau kemen bani i babon ki project klia chaprang hak jing pentri kamnya ki balasaki babon kiladap babon ru kidang ya chaprang kejing terai merulong bakat ka bakut jong senam arja urusan ansi ke jing dap ki babon ki project bakat ka bakut jong senam arajar arpun riu ansi ki babon ki project ki bahaya ki pansadap lut Ukonrat kongkal sangmau la batai ru dek boong berdiang ke jaka bantai ke Secretariat ke Batamai bat ke Directorate Batamai jang Sarkar Meghalaya. Kan omlong tak ke Secretariat bat Directorate bat kumbayi i halendet jang u. Kila don shibuan ru ki project bidang pentrai hagen negatan nak ke IT Park ke benta penungkong bat baar ke Utility Mall ke Integrated Command and Control Center ke Skill Park Batamai ke Prime Hub ke Helipad ke Shillong bat kibai-kibai.
We are here at the new administrative city where the new secretariat and the new directorate of the government of Meghalaya is going to be constructed. But it is not just the secretariat and the directorate. As you can see behind me, there are many projects that are going on in this particular area, whether it is the IT Park Phase 1, Phase 2, whether it's this current place of having the Unity Mall, whether it's the Integrated Command and Control Center, also the program for starting the new Skills Park out here, the new Prime Hub, will be having the new helipad, heliport of Shillong will be constructed here, and other large urban buildings will be coming up in this particular area. So therefore there's a lot of activity going on. And we really want this entire zone to be a very planned area, something that is going to be very unique, and something that is more of a futuristic kind of a city. And we hope that and we plan with the view and the vision that looking forward for the next 50 years, 100 years, that this entire thing should suffice for that kind of working space in the coming years. And that's why you'll see that the roads also which we're constructing out here are broad roads with utility ducts in it. We have got walking space, we have got cycling space, as well as green space all along the roads also. So that's the kind of vision with which we're moving forward. I have come today along with our Deputy Chief Minister and all the officials to see the different projects going on. And we are very happy to see that many of them are complete and many are in progress. And by the end of 2025, we will see completion of many more projects. And by 2026 end, we should see a large number of these projects being completed. So this is a really important area for us. And we are very happy to see that the work is going on as planned. And I would like to thank our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge Urban Affairs, as well as the entire team of the Urban Department for having really focused and and made all of this possible. So we really look forward to it. And today we are going to be inaugurating the Integrated Command and Control Center, which again is a very important project for the state as a whole. Thank you very much.